Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on app continuity between cover and main screen on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. So if you want to enable a feature where you have an app on the main screen and then you close your screen and that app continues to function on this cover screen, I'm going to show you how to enable that feature. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings. Then we're going to go to the display section right here. And then we are going to scroll down to continue apps on cover screen. And here you have two options. So either swipe up to continue app or always. So you can do swipe up, that's probably the better option. So the screen still turns off automatically. But let's try it out. So let me just open up an app like Gemini, and then I close the cover the screen like that, and then swipe up. And as you can see, the app is now open immediately on this screen. Or we can try it another way around. Let me open Instagram. Then we open up our screen right there, and as you can see, the app continues. Close it back down, swipe up, and there we go. So now the feature works. And that's pretty much it for this video. It's that easy, so thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.